Okay, hey everybody, Terry Brown, back with you, should I say, with another video, and introducing Nexus VIP Travel. How would you like to get the best for less? The best travel deals for less. Your VIP ticket to fantastic savings is here with Nexus Rewards. Okay, we have exclusive member-only wholesale travel pricing that's not available to the general public. Stay with me for the next few moments. I just have something brief I want to share with you, and then we're going to get out of here. Okay, so stay with me. Okay, so we have a vast global network of 500 plus airline partners, 1 million plus hotel and vacation accommodations, 30,000 plus rental car pickups or pickup locations, and 50 plus cruise lines. Folks, we've got everything you need for your travel experience, okay? Okay, now our unique membership business model eliminates costs associated with online travel agencies. And if you look here for me, you see online travel agencies like hotels.com, Expedia, Priceline, Trip.com, Booking.com, Kayak, Travelocity, Orbitz, etc. Your travel prices include, and this is why you're going to pay more with these agencies. Our travel prices include company profits, overhead expenses, employees, advertising, okay, etc. And Nexus Rewards membership negotiated prices, okay? Nexus VIP Travel minimal expenses, okay, which is going to give you VIP member savings. Nexus VIP Travel passes the savings and discounts directly to you. Okay, now in closing this video, I just want you to see this here. Nexus VIP Travel, Nexus Rewards has partnered with the premier travel provider in the world to bring you the absolute best pricing for all your travel needs. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to leave a link in the description area of this video. Be sure to check it out. Okay, as a matter of fact, you can sign up for Nexus Rewards absolutely free. Take a look around and see how powerful the entire program is. Okay, save money, make money, etc., etc. But there you have it. I'm Terry Brown, wishing you a blessed and awesome day today. Bye bye now.